Hello guys, welcome to Cutting Tools Dictionary once again. It has been a very long time since I have not made any video, and anyway, now I have started again to share the information with you. So today in this video we will discuss about the grooving and phase grooving tools. So let's start. What is a grooving? It is the process of making a groove, okay, on any component on any surface, basically on the round surfaces. Groove is long and narrow cavity made in the surface of a material. You can see here this is a narrow cavity here on the surfaces here. So this is the groove. Okay. And what is a groove turn? So there is a difference between grooving and groove turn. Groove turn is a process of doing turning by using a grooving insert. Not all grooving insert is suitable for groove turning. Okay. So there are specific inserts with which we can do the grooving, okay, and also we can do turning into that groove. So turning into a groove is called groove turn. So there are two differences here. Let's know about the tool selection for external grooving. So there are two type of grooving, as you know, external and internal. So first we will discuss about external grooving. So how the tool is selected for external grooving purpose. So let's start. First of all, we'll have to know about the shank size, which is compatible with the machine. So if the machine is compatible with the 25-25 shank, or whether it is for 32-32 or 40-40 shank. So this is the first information you should know before doing the selection of phase grooving tool holder. Then grooving depth, that is the T-max. How much depth you have to make the groove, that is important. Then insert width, what will be the width of the insert you will select. That depends upon the grooving width also, or yes, especially grooving width only. Then insert corner radius if there is any specific requirement of corner radius in the component in the profile. And insert grade, which grade you have to select, which depends upon the material of the component, whether it is MS, stainless steel, hardened steel, or anything else. Tool selection for internal grooving. Now come here again the bore diameter of the component, and this is for internal grooving, not phase grooving. Bore dia of the component. Length position of the groove from face. So what is the distance of the groove from the face of the component, outer face of the component? How much inside? What is the distance? Uh, inside the board the groove is. So that is important, because with that only you can be able to select the length of the tool, overall length of the tool. Diameter of boring bar length. D-min, that is very important. So D-min is very important. Grooving depth, insert width, insert corner radius, and insert gate. Now what is phase grooving? As you can see in this video, phase grooving, it's a process of making groove in the surface of the face of the component. You can see in this video. So now this tool is making a groove, and then it will do turning. Actually in this component already there is a groove. Okay, so this is called phase. In this particular video you can say it is a phase groove turning. Okay, and it would have been only phase grooving if only there would have been a groove and not turning. Selection of phase grooving, very important. In this again the shank size is required, grooving depth, Tmax is required, maximum diameter of groove and minimum diameter of the groove. This one is important. So this is DAXL and DAXS. That means this diameter, this and this is the minimum diameter, and this is the maximum diameter, and this is the width of the groove. So these two diameters are very important. Apart from that, CDX, CDS is the Tmax, that is the groove depth. So for the tool selection of phase grooving tool, these two dimensions is very important. In fact, these three dimensions, Tmax, maximum diameter of groove, minimum diameter of the groove, is very important. Insert width, corner radius, and insert grade. So now start. Let's understand for with an example. Okay, how to select a phase grooving tool. So in this component, you can see this is the phase grooving operation. So here you see this diameter is Dmax 151.7 on, if you can see, and this is the Dmin dia 60. So we have two diameters, dia 60 and dia 151.7, and the depth is 15 mm. Okay, so whenever you select the phase grooving tool, this two diameters range you have to see. And what is this diameter range? This is the penetration diameter. The minimum penetration diameter means the diameter at which the tool will penetrate into the component. So the maximum penetration diameter and the minimum penetration diameter. And after once you penetrate into the component, there is no limitation of widening the groove towards or away from the center. Either you come downward or go upward. There is no limitation. But the penetration diameter range should be into the diameter range given for the particular tool. Suppose here you can say 4 mm insert tool is this, and the diameter is 100 to 140. So you see whether these two diameters uh, falls in this range of diameters. So you can see 60 is coming in 100 and 140. So this tool you can select. Again 151.7 is there. So this tool also you can select. So both these tools are suitable for this particular operation. Any of the diameter should fall into the range of the diameter of the tool. Okay, and once you penetrate, then you can go towards upward and towards downward. There is no limitation. So I think you must have understand how to select the phase grooving tool. See, OD grooving tool is easy to select, and the internal grooving tool is uh, little bit tough as compared to OD grooving tool, but it is also easy. The most important thing is phase grooving tool, because when you say phase moving tool, the tool should not fall into the component. So diameter range is very important, that you have to take into consideration while choosing the phase moving tool holders. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can put it into the comments. I will try to answer it. Thank you so much.